Hello and welcome back guys to a basic Flutter material widgets course for beginners level. In this course we will be designing an app using material design widget. But in this tutorial we will be working on material card, so let's start. First of all, if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update. Now let's add card to our body main column. In the card we will add shadow by adding elevation 7. Let's add child column children. In the children we will have list style. In the list style we have leading const sized box width 45 height 45 child circle avatar background image network image. Let me copy and paste from the internet and save. As you can see, now we have added circle avatar to our card. Now let's add title const text, and the text should be I Muhammad username. Subtitle, for example, California. User address. In the trailing we will have a container width 35 height 35 decoration box decoration colors dot blue border radius dot circular 50 and save. As you can see, now we have to add child to our container, and the child will be text button on pressed null, and the child we will have icons dot more word size 18 colors dot white and save. Let me change the container color here from blue to gray. Let me add const here. Now let's add some text here. First we have to add padding edge insets dot symmetric horizontal 10 and save. The padding child will be some dummy text. Copy and paste. Let's add a sized box here in height 20. Let me add const here and save. Now we have to add an image as network image. Let me paste the URL of the image here and save. As you can see, now we have image. Let's add button bar here. In the button bar we have children text button on pressed as null, and the child will text which is read more and save. Our button is on display, and also the card is not overflowed because I have added single child scroll view to our body. It means we have now vertical scrolling by adding single child scroll view to our body. If we remove and save, you can see now it's overflowed. Let me add it back and again save. Let's give styling to our text button text style text style colors dot white. Let's add style to our text button style text button dot style form will have background colors dot blue and save. Let's add another button here to our button bar, and this one will be without background on pressed null child const text which is show more and save. Let me add alignment to our button. To move the buttons to start, main axis alignment dot start and save. Now let's add divider between our dummy text and list style. Divider indent 0 and indent 0 thickness 0 colors dot gray and save. You can see, let me add const here and change the indent value 30 or maybe 80 and the thickness to 5, but it looks bad. Let me back to 0. Our tutorial ends up here. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, leave a like and comment, and turn on the notification button to never miss an update.